Hello there, and welcome to Super Cash Savers. If you've been searching for ways to save money and manage your finances a little better, you're in the right place. I'm Robin, and this channel is all about helping you with money-saving tips that actually work for everyday people like us. Whether you're trying to figure out how to save money on groceries, cut down on your monthly bills, or get a grip on your budgeting, the girls and I have got you covered. Here at Super Cash Savers, we're all about frugal living and helping you discover simple and actionable money hacks that can make a big difference in your life. You don't need to be a financial expert to get on top of your money management. And I'm here to show you how easy it can be to start making those changes today. We know that the cost of living is tough right now, and we're not here to make you feel bad about where you're at. Instead, we focus on smart money strategies and saving tips that work. No gimmicks, no complicated financial advice. We're all about real-life money-saving tips that you can use right away, whether you're saving for a rainy day or just trying to stretch your paycheck further. If you're wondering how to budget and save money effectively, we'll be sharing everything from budgeting tips to breaking down financial literacy for beginners. Whether you're trying to understand your cash flow or just need some guidance on how to budget your money better, we've got easy-to-follow solutions for you. And let's talk about financial education, because everyone deserves to feel confident about their money. My friends and I are going to dive deep into money-saving tips, simple budgeting hacks, and ways to make your savings grow. You'll learn how to manage your money better, build a stronger cash flow, and get in control of your financial future, even if you're just starting out. Now don't worry, we won't throw a ton of complicated terms your way. This is all about keeping things simple and actionable, and most importantly, fun. Saving money should be something that feels good. And I promise, with a little effort and the right money mindset, you can make it happen. So if you're ready to get started with some great cash and savings tips, and you want to save that money without sacrificing the things you love, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to ring the bell, so you never miss out on new videos from Super Cash Savers. We're going to tackle everything from how to save at the store, how to budget and save money for your goals, to smart ways to spend and boost your financial literacy, so you can build up those savings fast. Let's do this together, because saving doesn't have to be stressful or confusing. It's all about making it work for you and your life. Thanks for tuning in to Super Cash Savers. We can't wait to start this money-saving journey with you. So let's go.